Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZAIROL HAIQAL bin ZAKARIA. My meter number is 13 DDT20F 2032. Today I will present about our PBT.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad AMIRUL bin HUSNY. My registration number is 13 DDT20F 2072.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad KHAIRUL bin SUDIN and my metric number is 13 DDT20F 2034.
Introduction. The Kaz.co is the one of the local branded and well-known clothing stores that serve and have a lot of new fashion and well-designed clothes that attract a lot of attention from youngsters, middle-aged and even elders. The store always full of customers, either local customer or foreign customer, as it should, because of the well-known branded and the quality of the clothes that has been used. Even though the store has a lot of experience in clothing business, more than a decade, but the store still facing a problem in managing the order and transaction. In today's globalized world, there are a lot of clothing stores that are slowly improve their online system to ease the use of customers. The store still lack of it and has a bad online system, which is make it hard for customers to order, choose and send it in front of customers' house. On this days technology, the system should be hard to make and to use by customers. As we can see now, there are a lot of clothing stores like Uniqlo as example, also in modern way, which their online system is easy to use. Even in 2 to 3 days, the item will send in front of the customer house. The system also should be full of information about the branded and about the paying method. It should be easy as 1, 2, 3. Last but not least, the system also has everything that customers need as sizing, payment and the picture of the shirts that customers need as detailed as possible, so the customer don't have to queue or go to the store on the weekend as it full of people due to weekends. So what they need is a phone and internet to make a purchase. Pre-requirement: hardware specification, laptop Acer Nitro 5, processor Intel i5 11 Gen 11 400, Windows 11, 16GB DDR4, RAM 2, 666 MHz, NVIDIA GTX 1650 with 4GB of VRAM. For software, Microsoft Windows 11, 64-byte operating system as 64-bit processing. For requirement: hardware, search for your desired destination and browse through thousands of user-generated trips created by solo travelers around the world. For software, Pixel SL API 13, based on apps which are to be developed, students are required to choose one project and create an interface for an app chosen, label an interface with a suitable category. For the client side, sign up functionality for enabling new users to create an account, the ability to choose type of shirts and styles, the ability to quickly place orders in the store in the online shop, a payment gate system for processing payment. Customers should be able to pay for their orders as quickly and efficiently as possible, the ability to track order status, estimate the clothes will be prepared and the total amount of purchases. The Just.co site, a clothing store sign-up page that will enable business for the clothing store platform. The page will display all information about the cloth size and the price amount the purchase. And integrate system will management system that enables clothing stores to publish the list of clothes and add photos for the detail of the clothes in the system platform. And other tracking features that enable store to view incoming orders and update customers regarding the status of their orders. Both parties will be able to see the exact status of orders at any given time, such as cancelled, complete, for delivery, and last but not least, a cross-interface system communication features that allows the clothing store to communicate with the customer seamlessly. The Just.co site, a clothing store sign-up page that will enable business for the clothing store platform. The page will display all information about the cloth size and the price amount the purchase. And integrate system will management system that enables clothing stores to publish the list of clothes and add photos for the detail of the clothes in the system platform. And order tracking features that enable store to view incoming orders and update customers regarding the status of their orders. Both parties will be able to see the exact status of orders at any given time, such as cancelled, complete, for delivery, and last but not least, a cross-interface system communication features that allows the clothing store to communicate with the customer seamlessly.
So for the first part of my presentation is API. Product Catalog API. This API can be used to retrieve product details such as name, description, price, and availability. It can also be used to search for products by category, brand, size, color, and other attributes. So for methodology, we use waterfall model. So for the first part, we have requirement, and downwards we have analysis, design, coding/implementation, testing, operation/deployment, and last but not least, we have maintenance. So for the next slides, we have marketing strategies. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to create engaging content that showcase your products and promotes your app. Leverage influencer marketing and collaborate with fashion bloggers to reach a wider audience. Next, software. To develop the interface of the software, JotForm was used as a main application to build an interesting, easy to use, and attract a lot of customers that on the apps. Last but not least, for the part of my presentation is price. So, the cost of building this app is taken from its complexity, functionality, and platform compatibility. Thus, the price for the apps is fixed to Rm150 based on the work that have been put on building this app.
So this is our interface for our application. First, we have our login interface, which is to let user log in into our application by simply click on right corner icon. User can log in with Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or Apple account simply by type their username or email and password and log in. On the registration interface, user can click and choose whether to sign up using Google or Facebook. Now is the main interface of our application. As you can see, our interface have menu icon on top, and on the main dashboard there is a choice of clothing and price at the bottom of it. Customer can choose which clothing they like and add to cart. On the purchasing interface, the clothes that customer like will be added to the order summary, and then customer can click on the order now button to make purchasing by making payment through PayPal or online bank-in. User also need to put their contact details before proceed on making payment, like typing their full name, email, phone number, and shipping address.
So for the conclusion of our PBT first is, in conclusion, it is true that technology is growing with the walk of the time. Everything in this modern world should be ease life of humanity, not only just from transportation, hospitalization, but even all the shopping in knowledge system, which is help most of humanity timeline. The system that has been created will fill all the terms. It also will less the amount of people who is most of the time busy in their life and do not have time for their needed as such as food or clothing when they do not have time for going out and buying all the stuff. With online system as created, it is easy and will deliver in front of your house. Furthermore, people do not have to cash out their money, as it only need to pay with credit or debit card.